a new recording because I was needed to open this and it was not so easy. So Brigt headphones look similar to AirPod Max, and I was curious and excited to get this one. So yeah, I promised myself to do unboxing because I saw one video on YouTube like I did with the I want to like put out the Amazfit Bip 5. I have recorded videos, but I haven't like for 4 or 5 months didn't post it. So yeah, I will show the headphones. So it is like this in the box, and then they said it's super light. Oh, the quality is soft here. Oh my god. And the woofer's feeling. This seems very like soft material. They seem a little small. Some complain in the review resistation, or how it's called, and said that if you have a big head, they are not so comfortable. And yes, oh, they look really good quality, even if it's plastic. They seem like bit. Oh, this look. They look nice, and when I talk, it seems I have no like sound, but it feels like little like something cancellation, like noise cancellation. There is similar headphones, but in white. Everything is white. They have noise cancellation. If I pronounce it right, so let's see if everything's good. So they look like this. The port, USB port, I think. The volume buttons. So there is like for the control button, plus and minus. They're really nice. I actually like them. Let's see if I take them on when I go. See if they have some power. So the power button, I don't know if my camera will focus that one. Galaxy A35. I don't think so. So there is the, yes, they turn on. So I think they need to charge because they are blinking. So I will see and set it up. It costs here in Sweden to 20 euros, dollars. I don't know what to count in. Yeah, check them out. Fast unboxing for like 3 minutes and 25 seconds.